All right, so I'm replacing, I got 3 frames. I'm replacing 2 of them with a nice frame here and this frame. Of course, this frame's got a broken piece here on the end. I'll take this frame since it has a little bit there, not much. I'll put that toward the inside. Let's shove these over. There we go. Alright. I don't really want this to happen, so I'm going to make my own space there a little bit. All this mecking around here, having a hard time getting that lined up. You want to slide those over. I want to put that here. I'm going to put this back. Alright, so replaced 2 frames. There's 3 frames of just mostly foundation, with the exception of something like this. 2 frames, this one and this one are in here. I kept this one in here just because I need a frame in there, but also because it's got a little bit of comb, but not much. It's not going to be any different, but right now I'm going to go with what I can. I'm going to feed these guys. That's 1.5 gallons. It's drained. It's been drained. They've sucked it down dry since last time I was here, so I'm going to fill it up. We still got some hot days ahead. These bees, I think, can use this. They've been treated for mites. Drizzle some of this on here. Let that go here. This is for that hole in the box over there.